All right, guys, while Rich is over there talking to Justin, I'm gonna hop in his car.
We'll see you tomorrow.
And we're gonna give this AWE. Hey, how are you?
I know, how did this happen?
What are you doing in here?
I don't know.
Let's give this thing some revs.
Well, Rich, I'm with a younger guy. Honey.
Good morning, everybody. This is Scott with 512 Garage, and I'm back with another video. I'm here at the horsepower obsessed 512 Garage, Carlisle 2020 HQ, and we're getting ready to roll out for day one. And show starts in about an hour and 10 minutes, and I still need to get the booth set up. So stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this. All right, guys, you know we've got to hit you with some cold starts before we get going. You just heard the Grand Sport with that AWE touring axle back. Now it's time to hear the ZR1. No cold start series would be complete without the C8. AWE touring axle backs with diamond black tips on 3 Corvettes, 2 C7s and a C8. All right, now we're heading to Carlisle. All right, guys, we made it. Carlisle day one. I'm heading over to my booth space so I can get everything set up for the day. So check back with you in a minute. All right, you guys, made it to the booth space. The tent frame fared well overnight. I got the rest of the tent and everything else in the car, so let's get it set up. All right, guys, and just like that, the booth is now set up. I'm exhausted. I think I need a shower and a nap, and we've only just begun, but that's okay. I think everybody else is probably just as hot as I am. So here we go. Like I said, right outside the food court. So if you're coming this week, make sure you stop by and say hi. All right, guys, I took a little walk away from the booth here, and yeah, I mean, you can see this probably isn't indicative of a typical Corvettes at Carlisle. We've got a lot of open space here for the first day. It's a bit of a shame, but you know, it is what it is. It's not going to stop us from having a good time. So let's take a walk over to the AWE booth and see what's going on with our boy horsepower obsessed. All right, guys, there it is, the AWE booth with the HPO Corvettes. By the way, I didn't get a chance to video any of the drive over here with HPO. You can probably guess why. Some fun roads out in this area. It looks like he actually got it cleaned too, because when we left the house, you guys saw, it was pretty dirty. All right, guys, so we're not gonna spend too long over here. They're getting ready to do some installs all weekend long. I think they're actually sold out on installs, so you're not going to be able to get here and get installed unless you signed up earlier. So we'll stop back over when they're doing some installs, but let's head back over to the booth. All right, you guys, so finally made it up here. This guy right here, you know him, Cars Guys. Zeus shows up, adding what, some color to the booth.
Hey, Laguna Blue matters.
Yeah, guys, you know JT's Laguna Blue C7. It's been in the 512 Garage before. We put that MGW flat stick in there, and if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check that video out. But here it is, guys. The MGW flat stick. Great shifter. The guys from Blackout Tinting, if you follow Horsepower Obsessed, you've probably seen these guys before in some of his videos. If not, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, Horsepower Obsessed, and Blackout Tinting. Boom. There you go. Josh, turn around.
Turn around.
You have your card on your back.
Yes, that's true. There you go.
But I had a subscriber come up to me. It's probably the best comment I've had so far today. A subscriber came up and said, man, you look a lot thinner in person. So, I don't know. Is that a compliment? Let me know down in the comments if you think that's a compliment or not. So we're just hanging out here at Carlisle, and I meet a guy named Jake who's got a YouTube channel as well. Jake, tell me about your YouTube channel.
Hey everybody, I'm Jake Miller.
It's called PA Driven. It's a YouTube channel. It features a lot of Jeep content, a lot of vet content. Just trying to get it started and have a little fun with our cars.
Awesome, that's why we do this.
Yes, thank you very much.
I'm gonna put down in the description a link to Jake's channel. Go check it out, give him a subscribe.
Thanks, guys.
All right, guys, so my good buddy JT, he's holding it down over at the booth, so he's giving me some time to walk around. What's up? What's up? How are you? Say hi.
What's going on?
Yeah, so JT's holding it down over at the booth for us so we can take a quick walk around and show you what's going on here. Day one. Like I said, it's kind of thin, but yeah, people are still having a great time. And I think one of the great things about coming on a Thursday, whether it's a Thursday like today where it's, you know, not crazy busy, but any Thursday at Carlisle, it's a little less busy and you get more time to kind of move around and check things out without having to, you know, deal with a lot of people. So definitely more cars are going to be here this weekend, but if you come up here on a Thursday, you have, like I said, you have some more room to move around. All right, so you guys know we got to stop down at the AWE booth and just, you know, see what's going on. Justin hasn't been over to the back to the booth to visit in a while, so I guess we're gonna have to go over here and visit him. I know the team over here just got done. Hey, what's up? How are you, man?
Where the guys at?
All over the place.
Okay.
Yeah, we're all over the place. All right, see ya. All right, so I know they just got done with, I think this orange, I don't know if you guys can see that, Sebring orange C8 back there. They just put a touring edition on, and they have a C7 over here, a white C7 getting ready to get a touring put on. All right, you guys, I am here with Rich and his wife, Bridget, and Rich is a subscriber, and he's here at the AWE booth getting a touring axle back, right?
Exactly.
Put on his C7. And tell everyone why you're putting the AWE.
Do I have to say anything anymore? You, good salesman.
So Rich
Love it.
stopped over the booth earlier and said the reason he's putting this exhaust on his car was because he saw it on the channel,
Right.
and now he's over here, and then this guy shows up, and this is what happens at Carlisle. So let's take a look at Rich's car real quick. Beautiful white C7 over here, and it's going to be even more beautiful when he gets that AWE exhaust put on. So check this thing out. Huh? The question is, though, he's got the chrome wheels and he's got the chrome badging. So does he go for the chrome tips or does he put the black tips on? What do you guys think he's gonna do? Let me know down in the comments. Rich's car is getting finished up here. Check it out. They're putting the tips on. And if you commented below that he should go for the chrome tips, well, you're right. Yeah, I think that was the right choice. I think it ties in the rest of the accents on the car. And I know he's excited to hear the first startup. Rich, you pretty excited to hear that thing?
Best, baby.
Yeah, see, he knows. Cold starts are the best. All right, guys, we are going to get the first cold start of Rich's C7 with that AWE touring axle back. Go for it. We might actually get some revs. So there you go, another happy AWE customer. And that's gonna wrap it up for the first day here at Carlisle. Guys, thanks for hanging out on the channel. There's so much great content on YouTube for Corvettes and cars, so anytime you spend on my channel is greatly appreciated. If you're not already, oh wait, we're gonna get some, he's interrupting my my ending here. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in this video, you can always email me, scott@team512.com. Don't forget to give this guy a sub if you're not already subbed. That's Horsepower Obsessed. Information down in the description. We're gonna...
Hi, YouTube.
We're gonna... Yeah, this is his first video.
Yeah.
So we're gonna head back to the place and do this all over again tomorrow. So don't forget, smash that like button and leave me some comments. You guys know I love interacting with people who love cars and Corvettes just as much as we do. All right, guys, while Rich is over there talking to Justin, I'm gonna hop in his car.
We'll see you tomorrow.
And we're gonna give this AWE. Hey, how are you?
I know. How did this happen?
What are you doing in here?
I don't know.
Well, let's give this thing some revs.
Oh, Rich, I'm with a younger guy. Honey.
Yeah, that sounds good. Sounds good, yeah?
That sounds really good.
Drive safe.
Okay, thank you.
See
I'll
ya.
let the hubby do it.
See ya.